Welcome to Incident Management Lifecycle. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential stages of managing incidents from detection to closure, ensuring your team responds effectively and learns from every incident to improve future resilience. An incident is any unplanned event that disrupts normal business operations or degrades service quality. This could be a system outage, performance degradation, data breach, or any event that impacts your users or business objectives. Understanding what constitutes an incident is the first step in managing it effectively. Detection is the first critical phase where incidents are identified through monitoring systems, user reports, or automated alerts. The faster you detect an incident, the quicker you can respond and minimize impact. Effective monitoring and alerting mechanisms are essential to catch problems before they escalate significantly. Triage involves quickly assessing the incident's severity, scope, and potential impact. During this phase, you gather initial information to determine urgency and assign appropriate resources. This helps prioritize response efforts and ensures critical incidents receive immediate attention while lower priority issues are handled systematically. Containment is about stopping the spread and limiting damage. This involves implementing temporary fixes, isolating affected systems, or activating backup services. The goal is to prevent the incident from getting worse while you work on a permanent resolution. Quick containment significantly reduces the overall impact. Investigation digs into the root cause of the incident. Your team analyzes logs, system behavior, and circumstances leading up to the event. Understanding why the incident happened is crucial for preventing similar issues in the future and improving your overall system resilience and architecture. Resolution involves deploying fixes and verifying that the problem is completely resolved. This includes validating the solution works as expected and updating documentation. Knowledge capture is equally important. Document what happened, how you fixed it, and update your runbooks and playbooks for future reference. As you move through resolution activities, ensure all fixes are properly tested and validated. Verify that the remediation actually solves the problem and doesn't introduce new issues. Complete knowledge documentation so your team and future responders can benefit from this experience. The post-incident review is where real learning happens. Analyze what went well and what could be improved. Capture lessons learned and create action items for preventing recurrence. Track assigned owners and due dates to ensure improvements are actually implemented and verified. The incident management lifecycle is a continuous cycle from detection through closure and review. Each phase builds on the previous one, creating a structured, repeatable process. By following this framework consistently, your organization reduces downtime, improves response efficiency, and transforms incidents into opportunities for learning and strengthening your systems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.